Cassava cake. A dessert from Liberia. Serves 4. You will need 10 ingredients. Step 1. Mix cassava, milk, vanilla and egg, allow to stand for 5 minutes. Step 2. Cream butter and sugar, and add cassava mixture and coconut and nbsp, mix well. Step 3. Add flour, baking powder, and salt. Step 4. Bake for 40 minutes at 375 less than sub greater than 0/sub greater than F or until done. Step 5. Remove from oven, cool and cut into squares. Step 6. Serve. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.